Revs coming up. We're green.
Big move coming off the 3.
2, 3, 4 breast in some spots.
Side-by-side action.
He absolutely nailed it.
Three-way battle.
And we've got an incident. You would expect nothing less.
Clips the inside apex.
Very racy. This is going to get into
That is a brave move. What a pass. This is what World Challenge is all about.
Touring cars up front. Touring car B-Spec in the back. The standing start about to unfold, and we are green. And Cody, I don't know about the getaway. That Porsche should be very good on the launch, but it was Ryan Winchester. And look at the move from Remo Ruscitti, the young rookie, right down and around. And I think Cody just didn't quite get the launch he wanted and slipped back, and it looks like the 0 of Charlie James might hold on. Robbie Davis trying to get it done around the outside in touring car. But look at that, just that fast 3 Compass 360. Cars to the front, and somebody very loose as he got his inside left tires down onto the dirt. Going through the left-hander, I think everybody came through, but wow, what a start by Compass 360. It's Winchester leading Ruscitti into second, Sandberg, Miller, and Cooper. Now here we go, looking now at the battle in the touring car B-Spec, and we got 2 minis that are absolutely hooked up down this front straight. Boy, are they putting on an absolutely great run. It's Charlie James, Robbie Davis, but Joel Liparini in that white Race Labs Honda Fit, Jeff. He is inside, he is outside, he is trying everything he can. Traffic, everybody coming up now on the back of the touring car B-Spec field, and that's, oh, look at that. Look for a minute like Cooper might have an opportunity on Miller once again. There are the 2 lead cars, but you can see that traffic has allowed those 2 leaders, Winchester and Ruscitti, to make a little bit of a break. All right, we may have had a change in the second spot here. Oh, we're certainly going to have a big run. Look at this. Side-by-side, Miller trying to get through. That's working through some of that touring car B traffic. And look at this, the 2 teammates going after it. And boy, that was a huge attempt right there to get around Miller. And I think that was Sandberg, got around Ruscitti and almost caught Miller at the same point. Boy, that was a brilliant, opportunistic move by Brett Sandberg. We have an incident, and it is up at the exit of West Bend leading into the diving turn. And the car has gone over. That is all we know. We're not sure who it is. You can see the workers have responded to the car. The corner workers are there. So we are, as a result now, Jeff, under a full course caution at this point. We are back to green here at Lime Rock Park. And boy, let's see what can Mr. Miller do, if anything, to try and make the move and get around Ryan Winchester. And Winchester time that start to perfection and open it up. Side by side is Topi. He's getting a serious run right there as well, Clark Topi, and let's see how that susses out. And he's able to hang on to it. Boy, somebody heading down, going slow. The number 11 of Jim Cleveland having a bit of a moment, but is able to continue. And I thought I also saw, well, I don't want to speculate, but I thought I saw one of the Compass 360 cars offline. Maybe it was some sort of an evasive move. So it was the number 70. That was Sandberg. All right, I thought I saw, there he is. So, boy, that's huge. That's huge now in terms of this championship. And look at this battle. There are those 2 minis just continuing to go after it. Robbie Davis looking really strong, but look at Liparini open up the entry to that corner, get the run off it. This is that experience here at this track. And, ooh, so close. We had a report of possible contact. There was a puff of smoke there. That was a little bit of a tap. And Liparini going around the outside. Look at that right front corner. That's tweaked. Wow, that's a brave move, Jeff.
Boy, wide up against the wall on the uphill. You want to make sure your tires and your wheels are straight there. And he gets the pass done coming down the downhill. That has got to be a move of the race for Joel Liparini.
I think we're going to have a 4-car scrap for the 3 spots on the podium here in pretty short order.
Oh, no!
That is, Davis has gone around. The double winner on Thursday has looped it.
Yeah, we saw him there right behind Joel Liparini, and they were battling. Not sure if there was any contact there, but it looks like Davis lost. And look at Tyler Palmer now able to get around Davis, get around Charlie James. Well, maybe not get around Charlie James. They are side by side, as Ernie Francis Jr. now will move up into second place. And there's contact again with James sideways. Tyler Palmer gets into him, backs off a little bit, and boy, there is a battle in TCB.
And here we go, Ryan Winchester. One more TCB car to sneak by. Down through the diving turn, Ryan Winchester, Compass 360. He is on his way in the Lijon Industries Honda Civic to, as you said, win number 3 on the season. And what a great weekend. Out of 3 races, a win in 2 seconds. Not too bad. And Jeff, here we go. Touring car B at the line.
Yeah, Joel Liparini, the number 81 Race Labs Honda Fit. It's going to be his first Pirelli World Challenge win in touring car B spec.